Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete Gcash transaction history. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your Gcash app right over here and then tap on this transaction history. Make sure you are signed in as well. Once you tapped on the transactions, you will be able to check out all of the transaction. Now when you tap on this three dot, you will find options related to it, but you do not have an option to delete your transaction history on Gcash. It simply isn't accessible and it's not given by the app itself. So if you wish to remove a certain transaction from the Gcash app, you gotta be deleting your whole account. That's how all of the records of your account will be deleted at once. So you're going to be going into your profile. Once you're in the profile, you will be able to find this kind of interface. Scroll down to the bottom, simply tap on your account on top, and there you should find the option of update account information and the delete account option. All you gotta be doing is tapping on delete account and your account shall be deleted, and that is it. That is the only way possible to remove all of the transaction history or delete transaction history on Gcash. So hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.